Before you get started, it's important to understand the best way to get through this course. Now that you've purchased it, don't worry, the course isn't going anywhere. So you've got access to it and you can always come back to refer to it. So my first recommendation will be go through the whole course. Don't worry about taking notes, anything at the start. Go through the whole course. You're able to play the videos at a faster speed than normal. So you can play at 1.25 speed, 1.5 speed, 1.75 or 2 times speed, depending on how quick you take information in. But just go through all the course first. Reason being is, throughout the course, there's going to be a lot of questions coming up that you might want answered. But then by quickly going through all the videos, you'll know what to look out for. So when you come back around to it and then you start the whole process and you start the whole eBay dropshipping process, everything's going to be nice and clear. Everything's going to make sense. Once you've gone through all the content on the course for the first time and you've played it at a fast speed, you've just taken in all the information. The next thing you do is you want to make sure that you're part of every single community that's available to you. First thing I would recommend is subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload very regular content, very helpful content that's available to absolutely everyone. And you will find some of the most helpful information constantly being updated onto the YouTube channel. Secondly, you want to join the exclusive eBay dropshipping Facebook group for course members. And I'm going to leave a link to that in a file of the next part of this course, and all the links will be there. So it's important that you join that exclusive group. The reason why you want to join that exclusive group is because every person in that group is on the exact same journey as you. They've purchased this course. They're going to have the same information that you have, and they're going to be following the same journey. So if you guys work together, you will certainly be able to help each other out. And of course, I will be active in that group as well, answering questions, supporting you guys. And the more we support each other, the better you're going to make this business grow. Then you also want to join the free Facebook group, the free Facebook group that everyone has access to, including non-course members. That's one of the fastest growing eBay dropshipping Facebook groups on Facebook, and it's got one of the best communities out there. It's open to everyone, so you want to join that group there as well, because it's going to be a lot more active. There's going to be a lot more people on there, and you're also going to be able to pick up tips from there as well. So you want to make sure that you're part of both groups. All my other social media links, including Instagram and Twitter, you certainly want to be following me on them, because I try to post as much inspirational content on there as possible. Community is growing, and it's just a nice little thing for you guys to follow. So go ahead and check those out. All links will be available in a file in the next part of this course. And finally, get yourself a notepad. Take notes. Take as many notes as possible. The first time you've gone through the course, you've just watched every single video. You've added me on all the social media. Now it's time to get things started. So you're going to have an idea of now what to expect from this course, because I'm assuming you would have gone through it already. And now it's time to put everything into place, take the notes down where you need to, and get the ball rolling. Let's start making some money. Let's go over to the next video.